Hey guys, I'm Davina with the Plant-Based Palette, and today we are making chocolate covered strawberries using stevia sweetened chocolate. My favorite brand to use is Lily's. Making sure to get the dark chocolate one because we're making this a completely dairy-free, zero sugar dessert. That's super fun to eat, even fun to share with others, and it's really delicious and a great dessert to get ready for Valentine's Day. And it's really simple. All you need are 2 ingredients. You just need strawberries and chocolate chips. Easy enough, right? And the materials I'll be using is a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'll be using a double boiler to heat up the chocolate. Let's get to it. Filling up the bottom part of the double boiler with water halfway through, then putting it on the stove. You really want to make sure that your strawberries are clean and super dry. There is nothing worse than mixing water with melted chocolate. It completely ruins the chocolate. So make sure these are, chillin' and dry after washing them. Okay, now we're gonna put the chocolate chips into the top part of the double boiler, and we wanna make sure that it's not too hot. So keep it on like a medium heat and stir occasionally. The more you stir, the more that the heat is distributed and to get it nice and melty. Okay, now that the chocolate is completely melted, we are gonna get to the fun part of taking the strawberries and placing them onto the baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So I like to do this by taking the strawberry by the stem and then dipping it into the chocolate. And then placing it on the parchment paper. Now we're gonna set this aside and let it chill. Okay, now that all of the strawberries are fully coated, I had some chocolate, so I might have some chocolate on me. We're gonna just leave this at room temperature to chill until they completely harden up, and then we can enjoy them. Okay, the chocolate covered strawberries are now finished. They're completely hardened. And yeah, now we can enjoy them. Okay, chocolate covered strawberries. Now let's try them out. Cheers. Oh my God, these are amazing. They're the perfect treat to bring friends, loved ones. They're fun to eat. They're fun to feed them to people. Try it out. Probably have chocolate all over my face. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and follow along, subscribe to the channel for more plant-based yummies, and check out the website www.theplantbasedpalette.com. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok where I share more yums, and I will see you next time. Much love.